Welcome to Paragon TV. I'm Randall Paul. We're here again with Dave Young. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that is on many people's minds since 2008 and the meltdown in the financial markets. Everyone's been very concerned about transparency. Candidly, everything from fraud to people just taking advantage of knowledge that they have that they don't give to their clients. How do you handle this ethical problem of a fiduciary to be transparent to your clients?
Yeah, it's something that we take very seriously. I think what you're referring to is a lot of times if you're invested in a hedge fund, you have no idea what's in that hedge fund, and you may not know until it's too late. A lot of times in mutual funds, you don't know till after the fact what you were invested in. What we try and do is we try and be as transparent as possible so our clients know at any point in time exactly what they're invested in. Let me just kind of drill down on that. In our portfolios, because they're custodied at Charles Schwab, you can go online and you can see what's in your portfolio at any point in time. And so say you go into your portfolio and normally you might look and see a mutual fund. Well, you don't know what's in that mutual fund until after the fact. Well, we're investing primarily in exchange-traded funds or ETFs. And you know exactly what's in an ETF. You can find out at any point in time because they're index-based.
I could look in my account at Charles Schwab and find out what's in that particular fund.
Yeah, what you would have to do is you would have to look and you would see your account at Charles Schwab, you would see the ETF that you own, and then you would look on the ETF's website and you could see the actual holdings that are in that fund. So you know at any point in time, down to the second, this is what I own and this is what I have. So you're not waiting for a phone call from the hedge fund to come and say, oh, by the way, you thought this is what you had, but that was changed 6 months ago or 9 months ago. You know exactly what you've got.
In terms of your own transparency at Paragon with respect to what you're foreseeing, how often do you communicate with your clients about concerns you might be having in the market? What happened in 2008 when things went awry? How did you guys handle that?
At that point in time, we were making phone calls to clients because there was a lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear, and so we were trying to make sure that everyone understood exactly what was going on and exactly what we were doing about it. But that's when we're making phone calls. As far as the way that we try and communicate with our clients so they know exactly what's going on, is we have a blog that we post to on an ongoing basis. We do a lot of these shows so that the clients can see what's going on and
Sure.
how we're invested. We have an electronic monthly newsletter that goes out. We have a quarterly print newsletter that goes out. They get a monthly statement from Charles Schwab. For most investors, they're going to say they're getting more information than they really want.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's good. Well, thanks for answering that question. Come back to Paragon TV next time and we'll talk about something very interesting. Thanks.